Hi, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you does the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus counts with a charger brick inside the box by default. So let's first open the box. This is the place for our device, and let's check and see this paper box. So as we can see, unfortunately we have not here just any charger bricks, only some paperwork and the USB cable. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.